Here I have VIVO X51 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have the button Do Not Disturb. Tap on it once and you can enable this mode. If you hold your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. You can switch it here too. You can add exceptions for this mode, for example for calls. You can add calls from anyone, from contacts only, from specific contacts, or from don't allow calls at all. You can also allow repeated callers if the same person calls a second time within a 15-minute period. The same goes for messages. You can allow them from anyone, from contacts only, from shared contacts. You can also add exceptions for alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, events. You can also restrict notifications here. You can restrict sound notifications, you can restrict visual and sound notifications, or you can just set your custom restriction. You can set default duration for this mode here, and you can also add a schedule here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.